Have you ever dreamed of carrying a full gaming PC right in your hands, but with the power of a real desktop? Well, Lenovo just made that dream even closer to reality. Meet the Lenovo Legion Go 2, the next-generation handheld gaming beast that's taking portable gaming to a whole new level. It's faster, smarter, and more powerful than ever before. So let's dive in and see what makes it special. First, let's talk about the design. The Legion Go 2 keeps that premium, futuristic look, but this time, it's even more refined. You get detachable TrueStrike controllers, redesigned with Hall-effect joysticks for better precision and zero drift. They feel smooth, durable, and super responsive for long gaming sessions. And right in the middle, a stunning 8.8-inch PureSight OLED display. It's bright, colorful, and ultra-smooth with a 144Hz refresh rate and variable refresh rate, VRR, support. That means whether you're fighting bosses or racing cars, the visuals stay sharp and buttery smooth. This display isn't just for gaming. Watching movies or streaming looks absolutely gorgeous too. Now, power is where the Legion Go 2 truly flexes. It runs on AMD's brand new Ryzen Z2 and Z2 Extreme processors, built with Zen 5 architecture and RDNA 3.5 graphics. That's desktop-class performance in a portable machine. Whether you're playing Cyberpunk 2077, Fortnite, or Elden Ring, it handles them all with ease. You can get up to 32 gigabytes of ultra-fast LPDDR5X RAM and up to 2 terabytes of PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage. Enough for all your favorite AAA games. And yes, it still runs Windows 11, so you can use it like a full mini laptop, browse, stream, or even edit videos if you want. To power all that performance, Lenovo packed in a massive 74Wh battery, nearly 50% bigger than before. You can game longer, and thanks to fast charging, you'll be back in action in no time. Lenovo also thought about flexibility. You can dock it to your TV or monitor using the Legion Go dock, connect a keyboard and mouse, and turn it into a full gaming setup. There's even a fingerprint power button for quick, secure logins. And coming soon, Lenovo says Windows will add an Xbox full-screen experience, turning the Legion Go 2 into a true mini-console. The Legion Go 2 is set to release in October 2025, starting around $1,099 for the base model and up to $1,499 for the top Z2 Extreme version. Yes, it's pricey, but you're getting serious hardware in your hands. It's not just a handheld. It's a full gaming PC with the heart of a powerhouse. So, what do you think? Is the Lenovo Legion Go 2 the king of portable gaming PCs? Drop your thoughts in the comments and tell us which handheld you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the world of next-gen tech, because the future of gaming is literally in your hands.